Miss Rachi, teachers play a great role for the development of their children. So, what would you like to say about the teacher?
It is true that teachers are most important in a student's life. If I talk about myself, then I have always got inspiring teachers who have motivated me everywhere, every time. The teachers who gave me opportunities to improve my mistakes, and I would like to thank my teachers because they play really, really important role in my life as a student.
Thank you. At this modern era, how should be our study? Skill oriented or marks oriented? Please tell us, our audience.
If we talk about how our studies should be, then our studies should of course to be skill oriented, because in near future most of the people will get employment on the basis of the skill they are perfect in. So studies should be skill oriented.
Yes. To everyone, don't be nervous about your marks. Just be skilled. Your skill will help you to achieve your goal also here. Tell me about your parents. What role they play? Because there is triangle. Parents, teachers, students. Teacher support, parents support, and yourself. You himself, herself support, then you achieve the target. So what role did your parents play for achieving your goal?
Of course we need our parents support, because most of the time of our life we spent with our parents, and our parents lifestyle of course affects us. If I talk about myself, then my parents have always supported me. They never forced me for something that I don't want to do. Even on the result day, when 12th result was declared, I was really dissatisfied, but my parents consoled me that you have done your best and we are happy with whatever you have got. So I would like to thank my parents.
Very good. I just want to tell from what I heard from Raji. I just suggest you that respect to parents and teacher also. What they are providing you, adopt that, and that will help you, because only that or live God. What we talk about the live God is your parents. So always touch the feet of the parents and take bless from them. Many of the learners, they are learning right now, and sometimes they are unbalanced while learning here. So how would you inspire them? Do you have any inspiration for them? What to do and how to do study?
First of all, I would like to say that study with your interest, because if you choose the subjects that you are interested in, you will always like to study this. Because many when I was going to choose my stream, many people suggested me to take science or maths, but I was interested in arts and I took arts, and I think this is what inspiring me to study, because I have interest in the subject that I have taken. So always focus on your interest, and always try to understand the concept, because that will always help you in future, because marks doesn't set anything for you, but the lessons you have learned will always help you.
Yes, first of all, you have to create interest, and interest very helps to achieve anything. Okay, in this whole conversation, I talked a lot to Miss Raji Patidar, and she shared everything in English. A 12th passed girl who is speaking English fluently. That's the great way that she become skilled right now. And I'm also delighted that I'm here to take interview and to talk to her as an English podcast here. So it's a very charming way that I'm talking to my own girl whom I taught here in the school campus. That's why that creates a positive environment around this area. So those who are watching and who will watch this YouTube videos, just add off what is very important for your life. Respect your parents. Yes, create your own interest. You yourself can win any kind of goal. No need to worry about what others doing. Do yourself. You can do. You can achieve it. Anything. So no need to worry about your marks. Become skilled, as our speakers told us here. Ms. Raji, what do you want to suggest to audience about my channel? Actually, I am trying to create awareness about learning through the students who have achieved a target, who have done well in their board examination. So, what do you want to tell about Mr. Lowo's channel? Because I came and take involve you in this channel through this.
First of all, I would like to thank Mr. Lavot channel and Nareshji sir, because you are being an inspiration for all of them who want to learn something new in life. You are really a creative teacher, and this channel even teaches us creative things. So I'm really grateful to be here with you and giving this interview. and I am thankful for whatever you have done for us in life as a teacher.
Yes, thank you so much, Miss Raji, and thank you to audience. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and just comment, because your comment will inspire me, will boost me, will help me to grow. So, dear guys, don't miss this great chance to watch the whole video and to share, like, share, and subscribe, and don't miss to send comments. Thank you so much to one and all. Thank you.